We need to change the traversal and the maximum best score in a grid. So we're going in the grid and need to go from 0, 0 to the bottom right corner and calculate the score. Should be the maximum, but not exceeding the k value. Suggested here we are going to use the dynamic programming and define like this. So let's start our implementation. We got the n, which is the length of the grid, length of the grid number 0 element, the negative number which is minus float infinite. Got our dynamic programming defined, so negative and multiplied by k plus 1 for in the range of n. We're gonna define the initial one, which is 0, 0 is initially 0, and fill the first line by going just right. So I'm from 1 until n, we got the value of grid 0j, we got the cost, which is 0 if value is 0, in other case it's 1, the score, and we got the previous one, which is j minus 1, we got the current one, which is j. We're iterating over elements and increasing and setting the cost. So cost until k plus 1 for everything if previous c minus cost is not equal to negative infinite value. So current c is equal to previous c minus cost plus score. Let's do the main cycle here. So the answer will be answer is the maximum of n minus 1 and returning the answer if answer is not equal to our minus infinite value. In other case, return just minus 1. So let's start with the main cycle here over rows and over columns. So for rows, going for in the range of m until m. So we got the row which is grid I, we got the current value which is row 0, we got the cost. Let's check this. We got the cost if the value is equal to 0, in other case 1. We got the score, basically everything the same. So dp0, calculating the new column 0, which is negative multiplied by k plus 1 times. So we need to calculate for each score. So we're calculating in range of cost until k plus 1. So for all costs, we assign the value. So c minus cost is not equal to negative. We assigning the new call 0c to current of c minus cost plus score, and dp0 is replaced by new one u call 0, gradient from left to right for in the range of 1 until n. And we got the same, basically the row j, we got the cost if v is equal to 0 else 1, we got the score, the previous row, which is top one dpj, and from the current one is dpj minus. We got the new cell, which is negative multiplied by k plus 1, iterating for c in range cost until k plus 1. We got the previous c minus cost. The best one is top previous c, and if left one is better than previous c is then best. So best is assigned to left previous c. If best is not equal to negative, new cell c is assigned to best plus score, and dpj is reassigned to new cell. So this is basically the solution and return the answer here. So let's try submitting it to see if it actually works, executable. So we're going and iterating, finding the possible. So thank you guys for watching. See you in May.